Here's a 2018 Can Am Defender XT HD8 with Apache 360 LT tracks and Can Am Flex Plow. Beautiful machine. Just got done helping put on the Apache tracks. I'm gonna go test her out now, see how it does, get some video hopefully. Tracks weren't too bad to put on. Kind of want a two-man project if you're gonna do it. It's kind of nice. You can do it with one guy, but it's nice just having the extra hand there to line everything up. And once you've done it once, putting tracks on, I don't think wouldn't take you very long to do. The back ones only took us probably 6 minutes a piece to put them on, so that was pretty easy. The fronts were a little more involved, but even them, I think second time around would be pretty simple to put on. Then you got your flex plow with your little handle here for angling. So you just push this forward and then you turn your plow. It's got different settings, which you can see here for 1, 2, and 3 for straight or all the way sideways, depending on where you want it. And then that's locked in. So now I'll have to put this back to straight for them. So right there is straight. But nice looking machine, definitely nice. Got the nice cab on it, windshield wipers, windshield washer, power windows. Got these doors open. Listen to this. These doors open so nice and gently. Just barely any effort at all. Just with the cab, if you're gonna do it, guys, I'd say probably go all out, get the cab, especially if you're in cold weather like we are up here, Minnesota. Got power windows. Got beautiful interior. Lots of storage. This little bugger pops out over here for the glove box. I can show you that. Just excellent machine. Really nice material for the seats. They're really soft, cushiony too. Yeah, you can put a stereo in. Lots of places for aftermarket switches if you want. You got your lights. You got your, if you got tracks on, you got work mode. You got your differential locks. Got all-wheel drive, two-wheel drive. You got 12-volt plug-ins, heater. And this sucker puts out a ton of heat. I tell you what, I was surprised. But puts out a lot of heat. But very nice machine, very comfortable. In your front snow plow, you don't need to worry about that wearing out, because like I said, it just kind of cradles the winch, or cradles that bracket and then lifts up and down from right here. This does not slide back and forth at all. But beautiful little machine. And it's got extra storage underneath your seats. The seats would just lift up like this, and the center seat lifts up too. So both these lift up if you need extra storage. This bucket will actually lift out of here, which I could show you. It just lifts up and out, so then you have plenty of room in there. And if you need to, you got like a little handy dandy lunchbox storage bucket for tools, for fishing, for whatever you may need. And you just slide it, pop it back in. There you go. Really handy, well thought out. Nice big old grab bar here. This one here also same thing, got a handle, pops up. This deal pops right out of here. So you also have storage here if you need more storage up here. Either way, same thing, but it just sets down in there, and then the handle just goes back like that, locks into place, and you're done. This opens up for storage. Nice big compartment right here for storage. So it was definitely a pretty cool machine. And the seats fold down nice. And your back bed on here, they make different options. You got little kind of circle cutout spots for 5-gallon buckets, propane tanks, whatever you want to bungee cord stuff down. Nice composite material. They make different accessories, of course, tonneau covers, pretty much whatever you want, you name it, they make it. So yeah, that's a look at the 2018 Can Am Defender XT. Pretty sweet. No complaints at all. Beautiful machine. So, and these tracks, as I was telling you earlier, the backs, they just bolt up this bar with your spacer in there, and then your bolt coming through, and that's it for the back. And then just hook it up to your hub assembly. Backs are super easy. Front is, like I said, a little more involved, but still not bad. Oh, and the back box is a tilt box here, so you just pull that. Tilts up if you need to. But we're gonna go out on the lake, probably go do some playing around and try it out. And one other thing, the flex plow to hook this bugger up, pretty sweet. Just set it down. If you want to hook it up, have it set down, hook up your winch cable, run it down and through and up to here, and then you would set it down, start winching up, and then what it does is it pivots the back and basically just lifts it right up into place. For these brackets right here, they're spring loaded, so it just slides right up into place, locks right in. With the tracks on it, you got to kind of lift it up a ways, and then you're going to want to push the blade back just a little bit, and then lift it up again, and then it'll lock into place. Because the height will obviously be different than if you have tires on it. But either way, it works pretty good, pretty easy to set up. So, all right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, check out my channel for more videos. Thanks, guys.